back, I'm looking ahead. Till I got this tractor a couple months ago. I hadn't driven the tractor in about 40 years. Again, I'm not sure how well you can hear me. I might just be talking to myself. If so, well, we had a nice tractor ride. Somebody will look at my stump and say, oh my God, you need chainsaw lessons. Well, that's true. But the reason I did that stump that way is because I actually want to turn it into a little place to sit. If I pay attention to it, it's absolutely beautiful view. Especially once you get the underbrush and so on cleaned up. This is the first time we've been out this far on our property with the tractor. This was a bit of an experiment. I wanted to bring you along for a ride. You can start to see, I think, in the distance, or will be soon, the cages, and where we're making pasture, and where we have our Nigerian dwarf buck, followed by our Berkshire Tamworth pig, who actually, once they're on the ground, they clear about 100 square feet a day. They probably do more if we move them quicker. And a few branches here that I probably want to trim. But this is fun. So anyway, this has been part 3 of our tractor ride. See, here's another road. There's all kinds of old like back roads here. Like to know how they make them. Anyway, I'm going to keep this one short. I thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Ciao for now. How was that for a